Hey Spice Squad, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Smash that red subscribe button down below and press the bell so you don't miss a thing your girl posts. So happy Vlogmas, guys. Happy end of Vlogmas. Like, oh my gosh, I literally have one more video left and that is tomorrow. I do not record on Christmas. I take Christmas very seriously, so I am not recording. I'm not doing any work on Christmas. It's all about family fun and, you know, there goes the door. So these are our special guests today. Well, they opened the door already.
Hey, now look nice.
What is that? So, we are going to be making homemade chocolate chip cookies today. Yep. So, that's what you guys will witness. You will witness us making some homemade chocolate chip cookies, and it should be fun. So what you just seen, you know, previously before this is our ingredients that we'll be using. I gotta see if there are any more ingredients. My mom is the queen of this. Well, I don't know. So last year she made some bomb homemade chocolate chip cookies from scratch. This year she made 2 batches. The first batch was like super salty and like super flat. The second one, the baby said it tastes like paper. But they were way better than the first batch she made. So hopefully she knows what she did wrong, because she feels like she did. And I'm going to be here to help her and supervise and make sure she make them right. I'm going to be helping too. Hey y'all, so we decided not to use the girls for this, right?
Yeah,
why?
Because it'll just take a lot longer and you got to have patience. And
plus they already made cookies at home with their mom, but they'll be our test tasters at the end. So we'll see if like the littlest one, Giovanna, thinks they taste like paper or not. But mom is here, the queen of making the cookies from scratch is here. I told them we had a couple errors the first 2 batches.
The first batch, I mistaken a teaspoon of salt and put a whole tablespoon, or vice versa, and they were very salty. And the second batch, I think they was too sweet. I had too much sugar. So we're gonna try to perfect this one. I have a second person here so she can make sure I get the ingredients correctly. So while we get started, we're gonna go ahead and brown the butter. I found out that's a good trick to brown the butter, and what you do is just put it on the stove and warm it up that way and let it brown. And just get a little brownish in color, and then we'll add that. The trick is to let the butter cool down and not put it in too warm. Alright, so we preheated the oven to 375. We're gonna add 2 eggs, and what I want you to do Jesus is add 1 whole egg, and for the second egg, just add the what is
egg
it
white?
called? The egg white.
Okay, so I'll have to put both eggs in. I'll just scoop the yolk out.
Wait a minute, let me make sure I did that right.
Either way, you can't not put the whole egg in there.
Yeah, because it could be the yolk and not the egg. So I got to see, I wrote it down. 1 egg and 1 yolk.
How the heck do I just get the yolk then?
You do like this. I said, just put it in there. I was just going to try her recipe, but we don't have to. It's 2 eggs regardless. But I was just going to try hers, but she did 1 egg and 1 yolk.
Okay, I might be able to get it. Just give me a spoon. I'll scoop some of the white out. The egg.
Alright, let's hold off on that. Let's hold off.
Why?
Take the eggs out and put it in another bowl. Because this is saying add 1 egg at a time when it's mixing.
See, this is the problem.
Yeah. We're just going to get rid of this.
Here.
No, we're going to get rid of this. Start over. See, this is why I need somebody here so I make sure I'm doing it right, guys. Alright, we're going to start over, guys. Alright, let's do this over. Alright, so in that bowl, we're going to combine 2 1/4 cups of small flour. So, go ahead and open that. And I do 2 cups. See the difference? That's the tablespoon. And that's the teaspoon.
You said 2 1/4?
Yes. And a teaspoon of baking powder.
And a cup of cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go.
Perfect. beat the butter, the sugar. So we gotta wait till that warms up. So we need 3 cups of granulated sugar. That's already 3/4 cups, right?
Yes, is that what it says we need?
3/4 cups of
No, it's not 3/4 cup. 3/4 is up there.
Okay, so we need to add.
See, she trying to make them nasty. Not sweet enough.
That might be too sweet. That might be why they was too sweet.
All right, 3/4. In here?
Yeah, that's fine. And brown sugar. So we need 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Packed.
New Year, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We didn't tell them why there's 2 different bowls. Okay, so we have 2 different bowls because one is the wet ingredients, which we put in the mixer first, and then one is the dry ingredients that we'll add in after. We'll add in gradually at the end.
Did you do 3/4? Okay, read the, what's next after bacon is all, bacon is all about following directions.
It's got a couple little drops. A couple extra drops ain't gonna hurt nobody. Alright, so now we're saying 2 large eggs, 2 cups.
But I gotta beat
chocolate
those
chip.
gradually, so wait a minute. 'Cause I gotta wait till the butter is done because the butter is the main ingredient for that to mix first before we add the eggs. So I'm gonna try this instant espresso powder. I seen it in someone else's YouTube cookie recipe that they added just a teaspoon of this espresso powder. She said it gave it a little more punch to it. And I think that's what, if I'm not mistaken, I tasted this in Leslie's cookies. Leslie, you gotta let me know if I'm right or wrong. I felt like I tasted a hint of like espresso in your chocolate chip cookies.
So we're gonna add this. Our butter that was on the stove that was browning, it's chilling now. We have to let it chill for 5 minutes, so that's been in there for a little while. Then we're going to zoom in and bring you guys over to the mixer as we mix up the wet ingredients. I love the smell of coffee and like espresso and stuff. Y'all know I used to work at Dunkin' Donuts forever. Love the smell. Never liked the taste ever. Ever. A dollop of Daisy.
Can you imagine that much salt in your cookies? That's why those cookies.
This is how much
so
salt
salty.
she put into cookies in her first batch.
They were so salty.
It might not look like a lot, but this was a lot. Disgusting. The little one. You said my mom's cookies tasted like paper last time. Why did they taste like paper?
Because I like them.
You didn't like
You
them?
liked them the first time you ate them. I think you didn't like them the second time because you was eating
No,
fruit.
that one was nasty.
That's not nice.
No,
That's not nice.
no, just one.
Just one was nasty?
The other
Yeah.
one wasn't nasty?
No, both of them not.
Oh,
Just
okay.
one
Just
on.
one.
Just one tastes like paper?
Yeah.
Well, I'm putting my special touch on the cookies this time, so they're gonna be pretty good.
I want Christmas nails.
Oh, you like why you see my Christmas snails? You like them?
Yeah.
What do they look like?
Pink.
What does this look like?
Pinky.
Yeah, girl.
Sparkle.
You say hi to the Spice Squad.
Hello. Hello.
So the butter has chilled, and we're gonna put it into the mixer.
So we're gonna let that thicken up a little bit and get a little creamy. Alright, so what you should always do is try to get all the stuff on the side. Try to put it in the batter because a lot of your ingredients get stuck to your sides. And then let it mix up again.
We are following the recipe on the back of the Nestle Toll House chocolate chips. On the back is step-by-step of the ingredients and everything that we're putting in there, with the couple extras that we decided to do on our own, like my mom putting in the espresso. Did you do anything else extra?
No, that was the only thing extra.
Yeah, so.
Well, you added in an extra teaspoon of
Extra
vanilla
teaspoon of vanilla
extract.
extract.
Let's hope that doesn't hurt. And then we're gonna gradually add in now the flour, because you're only supposed to add a little bit at a time.
Okay guys, guys, so I got a little taste of the cookie batter that we made. I'm gonna taste it. This is the end all, be all. It's good. It's actually sweet. Let's see, I got a little powder on my face. I've been working. It's actually good, guys. Sweet. It's our batter.
Add the chocolate chips. Add those first.
We don't have to measure? That might be enough.
I'm telling you, it's not. The chocolate chips, this is what gives it that chocolatey taste flavor. Because I did it last time and I didn't have enough. And I thought I did.
So did you taste the batter when it was too salty? You could taste the
And
salt.
I knew it was salty, but I was like, well, let me just put chocolate chips in. Maybe that'll balance it out.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you
Let's try it. Your hands clean?
Yeah. We better try it with the chocolate chips.
No, we're gonna do our balls.
Oh.
So we do little balls.
good tidings we bring to you and your
The oven beats.
Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Those cookies are better.
They better.
They nice and fluffy. I think we did a good job.
I did it.
This might be the one.
Pretty sure I was a special touch. But it's all about what this drum about to taste like.
Let it cool for a second. And then we can taste one.
Okay, they cooled down, so we're gonna taste the cookie. Well, I'm gonna go.
Turn the temperature down so the bottom's don't start so fast.
Ah!
No.
What do you think, Nana?
She accidentally poked her hand with a fork. And now she got
Still feel like it's missing something.
It's missing something.
What?
My skin.
But
Sugar.
it's good, but it's missing. Wanna taste it?
Skin.
Come over here and taste it.
No, this is my skin. This is my skin.
Okay,
It's
go have a
missing
seat.
sugar.
It's missing sugar.
No, it has plenty of sugar. I think it might need more flour.
Hot box
I still taste the sweetness.
Go. Bye.
No, yeah, go ahead. I guess we're not doing your nails then. You turn around and sit down and eat your
It's
food.
sweet, but it's like, that's one something.
I thought we were gonna wait for me.
My mom's not happy because she knows she's missing something, but she doesn't know what it is. This is by far the best batch. It's the third batch and it's the best one, but it's not the one because we're missing something. If you're a baker, you've seen everything we put in there. If you look up the Nestle recipe, you'll see everything we use, plus we added the espresso. Let us know if there's something that you always add that we're missing. Like, are we supposed to use milk or something?
No,
More butter?
no. It's 2 cups of butter. It's in every cookie recipe.
I don't know, guys, but help us out if you're
I'm
not
not
a
happy.
baker.
They're just too sweet. How do we tame
No.
down the sweetness?
No, I don't think it's too sweet.
I think, then what do you think?
It's missing like the cookie taste, like a cookiness to it.
You think I should have added the peanuts? Let's add peanuts to this one.
Just put all of them in. Oh. Adding peanuts.
All of them. I didn't add peanuts to the last batch. And maybe that's why it was that sweetness in the last 2 batches.
Maybe. Well, we'll see, guys. We'll see what the nuts do. Her worst critic. You didn't even bite it.
Bite it and eat it and tell me what you think.
What you think? Yay or nay? What it taste like?
It's better.
It's better. Better. These are the last batch. These are the ones with the nuts in them. So as soon as they cool down, we're gonna taste them. We're gonna give you our final review on the cookies, and then we're gonna be out here. All right, y'all. This is it.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
The nuts definitely added something to it.
I think I like this batch the best.
Yeah. The ones with the nuts is it.
Maybe that's what it needed.
And then maybe they just need to sit. You know how, and then taste them tomorrow. It was leg day at the gym today, so don't be judging me. Judge your mama. I can take the extra calories. Anyways, thank y'all for tuning in to this. Wait. All right, thank you for tuning in. She wanted to show her nails, y'all. Show your nails.
One of these.
They're cute, whatever.
They're Christmas.
Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's Vlogmas video. Tomorrow I will be announcing the winner of the cash prize. There will be multiple winners, so just tune in. Hopefully you guys are still entering. You still have time to enter. It will be cut off tomorrow on the 24th. So just get all your stuff in today, y'all. Trying to bless y'all for this Christmas. So just do what you gotta do. It's super easy, and the directions are down below the video I posted yesterday. Yes, yesterday. Anyways, y'all know what I always say. Be the light wherever you go, because wherever you go, the light shall follow.
Light shall follow.
Love you guys.